Thanks for clicking play. Welcome to the video. Hope you're doing well. Today I'm going to be doing a little experiment with like a handheld games console thingy. I was messing around with this Christmas present that someone bought me, and whilst I was playing around with it, it broke. Then I thought to myself, if I had a 3D printer, I could make some sort of Game Boy looking case for this thing with all the right spacing. But I don't have a 3D printer, because I don't make things out of plastic. I like making things out of wood. So that's what we're going to do. What better type of wood to make a handheld games console out of than pallet wood?
Not sure if you can see that, but the screws are inside. I can't do that.
Alright, so this one's looking potentially quite easy. Not easy, I don't want to jinx this. So now I'm going to grab a few pieces of pallet wood and figure out how to do this. That was the easy bit. Looks horrible, it's not even square, but this is a test one. And I actually really want it to look ugly, like a pallet. Horribly pallety. Horribly pallety? That is a very strange combination of words to say. Screen's got to go here, buttons have got to go here. I also noticed the buttons are raised away from the circuit board. So we're going to try router this entire section out so I can attach the circuit boards and stuff. Next, we're coming up to the most dangerous part of the build. If one little thing goes wrong, we're gonna have to start from scratch. So now we're doing the buttons. Boop. So I've done a couple of test ones already. The buttons don't go deep enough. So then I did another one where I routed away this section before drilling a hole, and the buttons just about fit. I still have no idea how I'm gonna do the D-pad, but I've got a feeling it's gonna be chiseling or carving, I don't know. Procrastinating on that one.
First set of buttons in. Whoop, whoop, whoop. That did not look good.
Super dark, I know, but both of my lights have run out of power now because it's just taken me an hour to do this. I'll do a proper shot of it right now. It's terrible, it's horrible, but I want to get this one, I want to get it done with the buttons in tonight, and then tomorrow I can resolder everything. D-pad holes are cut, it's getting there. I've got to screw the PCB on top of the buttons now, which is worrying because they're small screws. It might split the wood. I don't have a drill bit small enough to do a pilot hole, so I'm going to crack on.
No matter where we go, I know we're gonna make it. No matter where we go, I know we're not alone. We face it all 'cause now we know that we can take it. We face it all 'cause we go big or we go home. Dance like you made it, you found it all. This is paradise. Dance like you made it, you found it all. This is paradise. This is paradise. This is paradise. Yo.
I had to router out the back piece so it didn't crush the cables when I stuck the two together.
Get in there.
Don't be afraid to let go, just a little bit more. Taking the heavenly glow, we've come to adore. No matter where we go, I know we're gonna make it. No matter where we go, I know we're not alone. We face it all 'cause now we know that we can take it. We face it.
Why push technology forwards when you can push it backwards? Introducing Pallet Boy, the latest devolution in handheld gaming. You can set it on fire. You can stab yourself whilst playing. Is that a stack of pallet wood? No, it's Pallet Boy. Am I playing it right now? No, this is pallet wood. You've tried the best. Now try the worst.
Not a real product.
Woo! Here it is, the most horrible handheld gaming console you will ever see. The top edge doesn't match up, the screen's wonky, I've screwed a piece of plastic to cover the batteries, there's a screw sticking out near the D-pad, the speaker holes aren't lined up in any sort of fashion, there's holes in the plywood from previous screws, and I haven't sanded the edges down, so you're potentially going to get splinters. Even after all that, I absolutely love it. This has been the most entertaining project I've done so far. Like, I'm genuinely obsessed with this. These are from my beer mat video, which you can see in the top corner, but I think if I combine this with this, we're going to get something awesome. So, I've done something I haven't done for quite a few videos. I've actually spent some money, purchased a new handheld emulator thing, and I'm working on the next video already because I'm too excited for this. I am going to list this on my Etsy store. I love it, I don't want to sell it, so I'm going to put a stupid price tag on, but if someone pays that stupid price tag, I'm going to buy a CNC router machine, and we're going to do some awesome stuff with these things. As usual, thanks very much for watching. If you've got any tips, questions or suggestions, stick them in the comments below. I am already working on Pallet Boy 2. I've got no idea when the video is going to come out, so keep checking the channel or do the subscribe thing. I don't know. Anyway, hopefully coming at you with the new one very soon, and I'm going to go play this.